A pleasant day everyone. I am Cynthia Laine Diabay from BSSW2B, and in this video I will going to explain with you my output since I have drawing that included the poem of Rizal that was written on it, as you can see here. So I have chosen the Primera Inspiration or my first inspiration kasi nagustuhan ko yung content symbolizing the nature and a mother. So ang Primera inspiration was one of the poem written by Rizal when he was 13 way back 1874, and ang tulang ito was dedicated for his mother as a tribute sa lahat ng efforts and sacrifices ng kanyang mother na si Teodora Alonso. So, yung mismong content ng tula is makikita natin yung innocent kay Rizal, the way he portrayed the nature. So, inihalin tulad niya yung mother niya sa kalikasan, kung ano yung saya and peaceful na nararamdaman niya kapag nakikita niya yung kalikasan, ay inihalin tulad niya dito yung saya, peaceful, and love na naipaparamdam sa kanya ng kanyang ina. So, naging unang inspirasyon niya yung kanyang mother, and makikita talaga natin dito yung love niya for his mom. So, yung content ng tula ay mafe-feel mo yung love, walang halong galit, inis, sumbat, kundi puno ito ng pagmamahal at pasasalamat ng isang anak sa lahat ng naging sakripisyo at pagmamahal ng kanyang ina. So, ito yung drawing ko. And ito yung naisip ko na visual background, where as you can see, makikita natin dito is more on nature elements. We have some trees, flowers, river, mountains and grasses. Since diba for me, nature is peace, and it has something to do with the poem I chose since naging inspiration ni Rizal upon writing the poem may primera inspiration is yung nature aside to his mom. So, nakikita ko yung peaceful sa artwork na ito. And another, as you can see, meron ditong babae which stands for the mother, and meron siyang bit-bit na or binubuhat na bata which it stands as her son. So, makikita natin dito yung pagmamahal, pag-aalaga ng isang ina sa kanyang anak. And no matter what happen, walang unang tutulong sa atin kundi ang mga magulang natin, especially our mom. And sa bawat yugto ng ating buhay, sila yung nandyan na gumagabay, sumusuporta. Madapa man tayo sa hamon ng buhay, sila yung unang bubuhat sa atin patayo at pipilitin tayong bumangon. Sila yung handang isakripisyo lahat para sa mga anak nila. So, na-feel ko dito yung appreciation talaga ni Rizal for her mom, and also yung love nila sa isa't isa. So, that's all. Thank you.